How are you all? Thanks for coming back to the Coins Alert. You're at home to get your crypto fix. I'm your boss. I hope everyone is having a great weekend. It's Football Sunday, September 15th, and I get to relax with a cold beer for the first time in a week. Week 2 of football. I missed the first week. I was at the airport. We were at the airport. Some of us watched it on iPads, but it wasn't the same. I'm not as excited about today. I enjoy this season a lot. Baseball season is coming to an end. Last night, my Mets lost. We are now both in the running for the wild card. We lost a 4-1 lead with, 2 weeks left in the season. Then we had October football, which is the best time of the year for baseball. Yesterday was week 2 of college football. Fall is a great time for football, people, even though it's still about 95 degrees in Southwest Florida. I took yesterday off for some quiet time to think. I already said that everyone should do it. Leave it alone. Rest up because you'll be even better when you get back. Here we are, and here we go. $60,233 in Bitcoin looking really healthy as. Of right now, it's up 0.67%, while Ethereum is down 0.26% at $2,415 WDDD. SDC are both going back to their dollar pegs. As for XRP, it made a strong push yesterday and got up to the 60-cent range. There has been a small drop in it, but it's still up 0.65% per hour and 0.04% over the last 24 hours. If we look at the 90-day chart, we can see that XRP is the only one of the top 10 that is going up by almost 16.31%. Over $2 trillion has been spent on cryptocurrencies so far. Where do we go from here? Okay, everyone, I've got you covered a little. I'm going to play a nice movie by Keith. The TA will be looked at. We're going to check out the XRP chart to see what's going on. Are we really about to get close to the very important set level of 65 to 66? Will it break this time? And will we make it to the magical box of 75 cents? Don't worry about it. I took care of you. I sent this out. I did a live show on Friday. The live streams start at 7 p.m. Eastern time most of the time. On Friday, I did a live show. More than 1,500 people watched the live show. A lot of TikTok users. I need to make more videos for TikTok. Don't have a TikTok account? Click on the links below to sign up. Join me over there because I'm about to start making videos for that site. I made the Lux Lines TCG game. It will happen soon. This is the card game we play. This is really sick. A betting method based on NFTs. We fight the other person. It does have multiplayer. Also, you can play the single player missions for free and earn in-game rewards as you go. Pay attention to this. This is going to be a huge update to the XRP system. The month is almost up if you don't already have an NFT. So you should really think about getting an NFT. If you buy one and sign it over to your wallet by October 1st, you will get XRP payment for it. We gave back more than 1 million XRP to everyone who owned it. The XRP ledger's biggest project is us. You can use a credit card. We'll take XRP. It's very simple for you to get in. The Lux Vault is shown in this small way. You will soon be able to stake your NFTs and make back our token TLN, which is currently trading on Bitmart at a nice 14x, 13x, or 15x rate. It costs about 38 to 40 cents. Before the next push-up, it's been, bouncing around a little chop zone. It was first sold on Monday for 3 cents. It was said that Bitcoin would go over 100,000. ETH will go over 10,000. There will be a 100x extra season. Bitcoin and Ethereum worth millions of dollars are bought every day by whales you really aren't optimistic enough. Life will change in the next 6 to 8 months. Most of what he says makes sense to me. Life will change a lot in the next 6 to 8 months. There are more and more whales. Rich people are putting their money together because they know where these markets are going. Some people think that one Bitcoin could be worth as much as $250,000 USD. I said something on the live show that I'm going to say again here for those of you who didn't watch this. Here are my new top 5. This is what I think will happen in 2025. I think Bitcoin will be the most important token. I think the number 2 and 3 tokens will go back and forth between Solana and XRP. Ethereum is likely to fall out of the top 5. That's what I think will happen in 2025, folks, right? Ethereum is no longer in the top 5. I believe it. Vitalik Buterin has been selling off a lot of his Ethereum lately, so I think he knows what's going on over there too. It makes you wonder what's really going on with ETH, especially since Ethereum developers have been saying that they don't care. The network's owners don't care what's going on. Let me make this video from Keith bigger. He is going to look at the XRP chart. He is going to talk about the market right now, what we're looking at, and where this is all going. Pay attention, everyone. Let's get a clean look at an XRP chart. You all got really excited, right? Everyone began to feel like themselves. Oh no, here we go. Okay, here we go with Grayscale. Trust us. What did the chart show? Ran right into trouble, didn't it? Once more, didn't it? We might start to listen in the end, but let's make the most of the TA for now. Again, thirds rule. There were 2 closed lights over the AEMA. We're getting to it though. We have one here in R. Working on a second one, but for now we only have one. So far, only one. I need 2. That gets an X since I don't have 2. We should have 2 by the end of the day, but we don't yet. Also, does the purple line go over the green line? Not at all. Purple is better than green. That needs to go the other way. It hasn't done it yet. That's an extra X. Finally, have we gone above the 50-day moving average? There is no doubt that we are under. There's no doubt about it. We touched it. That's 3 no's and 1. Yes. I have $300 if I split my purchases in thirds. The $300 has not been spent yet. I haven't heard back from any of these yet about going 100, 200, or 300. It hasn't happened yet, and I won't move this point until it does. In the same way I have this thing charted over here, we paid close attention to this. The moving averages were already shown to you. Take those off and move them out of the way. We drew this out a long time ago. Everything is going as planned. Haters can all hold a fat one. It's pretty clear that the chart works. There's nothing else I can say. Take a look. That was drawn by me a long time ago. You can watch the Twitter thread I made again. We began this thread more than a year ago, and it's still going the way we said it would. Still, some people still have doubts about us. It's crazy. You can see the green line. There will be a move up, but it won't be the big one. Setting the stage is just the first move, and I don't think that has to go this high and so fast. I just want to see it on the other side of this line that it hasn't broken yet. And we're stuck in the mud until that trend line breaks. We're getting close to go time, though. When it's go time, we jump over the barrier. When we settle on top of support, we turn resistance into support. That's when our move begins. It looks like this will happen in October or November. For the XRP moves that are stronger, I still haven't bought any of these things, even though I have money to spend. It's because I don't need to buy it. It's not something I need to buy. It's not quite time. It's almost there. It's not quite time. I like the rise. I'll say it again, you're not going to make me buy from panic shoppers and stupid stores. That guy's not me. After you've calmed down, I'll wait for the chart to go back down and buy again. Okay, I don't use feelings with charts. What I do is only numbers and facts. It's still not quite there until this changes. It's still running into pushback and hasn't broken any key levels yet. 60 cents is a huge number on this chart. Just like 60 cents, 65 cents is a huge amount of money. This is not going to break easily. We're getting there little by little. It's not quite right. Take a look at what Keith said. It's not time yet, everyone. We've been telling everyone this. It's almost time for us. Don't forget that Bitcoin has to run first. Bitcoin has to run first. That does happen. Not moving either. Bitcoin needs to move. This year that will happen. So everything is set up for our XRP to go through the roof in 2025. Are we going to stay between 55 and 57 and enter the chop zone for the rest of the year? Not at all. You heard from Keith. At this point, he's expecting that whole November. XRP will finally start to go up. The goals have been given to you. We tell you a lot of the time on this channel where we think XRP should go. The goal is very easy to hit. 75C by the end of the year. It's very hard to break through at 60 and 65 cents, he told you. That number has been talked about. Yesterday, you saw what took place. It happened yesterday. What happened when XRP went after 60 cents again? It was turned down and sent back down. It will break out at some point. That means it will happen today or tomorrow sometime in the next week, right? No, but it's on the way. I am sure that the XRP body will break out by the end of the year. We will then have reached those great goals of 60, 65, and 75, which will set the course for 2025. So you thought I was crazy at the start of the year? I told you that XRP isn't ready for 2025. The parabolic move will happen in the summer of 2025. A lot of people thought it would happen